Hi, today the second lessons in the Civil 3D, uh, how to create the surface. Okay, the Civil 3D points we already got it. So now we have to create the surface from these points. Okay, so you can go to choose the tool space. You can find out the surface here. Right click, go to create the surface. So here you can find out the surface create dialog box. The type TIN surface. Okay. The surface layer, already the system generated. So if you want, you can create the new layer also. Okay, right. So first of all, we have to create the name first. Okay. So I just delete this one. So here I can put it surface A. Okay. In the description box, you have any description about the surface, you can type. And here the styles and render materials. These two things we will check about later. So first you have to create the surface name only. Okay, right. So when you did this one, here you can find out the surface plus. So here you can click this one. Under the surface, you can create it. Already you created from the points with surface. So that is surface A name. Again, you have to click. So you can choose the definition. Under the definition, you can go to find out the point groups. Okay, right click, add. So here you have to find out the point group. We already created the point group. Okay. So the point group is done. Now you can apply and OK. So when you choose these two, the system will generate the surface. Okay. It's take time. Little, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, it will be generated. Okay. Right. Good. Now it's came. So this is your surface we created. So after that, now we have to hide the points temporarily. So I can go to choose my point groups. Okay. So I can go to choose my point groups. So this is my point group name, e.g. Go to property. So default style, I have to change it none and I have to change it the point style also none. Apply. Okay. So this is, you can find out, this is our surface. Okay. So when you select the surface, go to surface properties. So this is a surface property. You can find out. Okay. Right. Here the surface style. So if you want, you can change it as per your style. So I just click 1 mm and 5 mm background. So material. So here you can find out which material you needed. So I just choose it the global. Okay. Apply. Okay. So it's done now. So you can just select here, go to object viewer. Now you can go to choose the realistic mode and here you can change it the isometric. So here you can find out this is your surface created like a 3D model. Okay. So this is under the object viewer. Now you can close this one. Okay. Again, you can go back to your surface property. So if you want, you can keep it your border only. So this is your surface border to create. So we need this surface boundary because we cannot able to create the alignment. So this is a main important part of Civil 3D. So we can create any object, any element uh, depends in the surface property. Okay. So I hope you understand this tutorial.